Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to convert a PDF file to a clickable link. Let's dive into it. Okay, what you want to do first of all is go to Google Drive. Okay, you want to go to Google Drive, and once you pull up Google Drive, let me see, it's like the first one in the drop down. Click on that link, and there you have it. Here's Google Drive. What you want to do once you get to the Google Drive menu, go to this new file here to pull up a new, here is going to be able to upload the file. You click on File Upload, and there you go. You go inside there, simply pull up your PDF file, and I already have one here that I just did. And I'm going to use it here. And you simply, once it's there, right here, guys, it's going to, once you go ahead and upload it, it's going to come into this section here. Here are all my PDF files that I've previously uploaded. Okay. So get this back up here. Move this over. Okay, and so what you want to do next is, come on. Okay, you go ahead and click on your PDF file. Once you get it uploaded into the Google Drive, you simply click on it, guys. And here's my new PDF. It's a new ebook, Attraction Marketing ebook, how to get 10 leads per day. But what you want to do, guys, is go to this 3-button, more actions here, and then you're going to hit this share button. And once you hit that share button, it's going to give you a clickable link. That link, guys, is going to be your link to save that, and that's going to be a clickable link where you can go ahead and share that out to whomever you'd like to. Okay. Once again, my name is James Bill. Please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button at the bottom there, guys. And the notification bell, so you'll be notified the next time I come at you with some more great content and valuable information. Again, I'm James Bill. And if you'd like to know anything more about here's an ebook that I have out. It's called Attraction Marketing Revealed. And what it does, guys, it shows you how to use attraction marketing in your business and how I'm able to get 10 to 20 plus leads a day simply by using attraction marketing. And I'll leave that link at the bottom there, guys, if you would be interested in. So once again, thanks for visiting my channel. Be sure to subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.